Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. We have Kizz Daniel here with a song called Showa. Alright, so we have 4 chords. We can play them either in a picking pattern style or with a strumming. So that's what we're gonna work with. Let's go into the chords. So we're gonna go first with a C minor based grip here. So what you do here is to place a bar on the 5th fret. I bar all strings there. And then I add 8 on E string and 6 on A. And I use just these 4 strings for my playing here, either if we go with the picking style or the strumming. So that's a C minor. Then we have the G sharp. Another bar chord, you play the bar now on the 4th fret, all strings there. And then you need to add 6 on A, 6 on D, and 5th on G. We're gonna go with the next bar chord. This is the F minor. You play the bar now on the 1st fret. You bar all strings there. And then you need to add 3rd on A and 3rd on D. Then you take the very same grip and move it 2 frets towards you. Land like this on the G minor. So now your bar finger is on the 3rd fret where you bar all strings, and then you need to add 5th on A and 5th on D. And the G minor. And that's the chord progression for this song here. So we had the C minor, G sharp, the F minor, and the G minor. So the melody goes, and that is 8 on E, 6 on A, 5th D, and 5th G. In the background, if you listen to it, you really play fast there. So 2 rounds of this. And that is a little bit too much, in my opinion, to work with on a guitar. You could do that, but I think that will be stressful. So I just play 1 of these and a short pause, and that will be perfectly fine. So. The next chord. So talking about the next chord, that's the G sharp. You hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play. So that is 4th on E, 6 A, 6 D, and 5th G. Same principle there. 1 down and a short pause. Then over to the next chord, the F minor, and I go with. So that will be 1st on E string, 3rd on D, 1st on G, and 1st on B. And then you go to the next and final G minor chord, and you're gonna play. So that will be 3rd on E, 5th A, 5th D, and 3rd G. Sorry. There you have the 3rd G. So there you have the melody here. You're gonna play like that. You can do that from the beginning till the very end, but you can also combine that with a simple strumming pattern. It's a very common one. If you go back to the C minor here, it's down, up, clap, down. So down and then up, clap, down. 1 of these per chord. So. And then you go over to the next, and then F minor, and then G minor. And so on. So that is it for Kizz Daniel's Showa. Hope you enjoyed it, and play tuned.